Hello my dear students, in this lecture we are going to see one previous year GATE numerical. This numerical was asked in GATE 2008 for 2 marks. Now the question is, one tooth of gear having 4 module means module is equal to 4, m is equal to 4 mm. Again, and 32 teeth is shown in figure, that is number of teeth are given 32 is shown in figure. Assume that the gear tooth and corresponding tooth space make equal intercept on the pitch circumference. The meaning of this we will understand. See, this is very important statement. Assume that the gear tooth and the corresponding tooth space make a equal intercept on pitch circle. Means tooth thickness is equal to width of space. Tooth thickness is equal to width of space. Width of space, this is given, right? And here tooth thickness is given a, right? Again, the dimensions a and b respectively are close to. Now here we have to find dimension a and dimension b. Look at the diagram properly. A is nothing but tooth thickness, and b is nothing but, from this height, b is nothing but, can I say it is module plus some distance. You can visualize here, b will be module plus some distance, right? Here from module there will be a some distance, right? Means definitely b will be more than 4. And for a we have to calculate. Now let us solve this question. Let us say there is a gear assembly or gear like this. This is a tooth. Again there is one more tooth, and the gear is like this, right? Let us say this is a gear, and for this gear there is a pitch circle. Here it is a pitch circle, and they are saying that the tooth thickness is a, this tooth thickness is a, right? And width of space, this distance is also a, right? It is given, it is mentioned that, right? It is mentioned that assume that the gear tooth and the corresponding tooth space make equal intercept on pitch circle. Means if this distance is a, then this distance will be also a, right? Here this straight distance will be a, right? And here it is a pitch circle. Now therefore, can I say there are such 32 teeth, there are such 32 teeth, and from this point we can say, from this point to the same point on another tooth, this is called circular pitch. This is called circular pitch, and we have formula to find circular pitch. This pc is equal to pi into m, pi times module, right? Therefore, and which is nothing but, can I say a plus a here as given in data. Therefore we can say pi into module is equal to 2a. Therefore a is equal to pi m divided by 2, which is nothing but pi into 4 divided by 2, which is nothing but pi into 2, which is nothing but, if I solve for this I will get 6.28 mm. This will be the a answer. First value we have calculated, that is a is equal to 6.2428 mm. So here we have calculated a equal to 6.28 mm. Now let us solve for b. Now can I say, here while solving for b, let us say this is the center of gear. From this center the distance of pitch circle is radius. This distance will be radius, as well as this distance will be radius. Distance of pitch circle at any point is always radius, right? Now let us consider this given tooth. Here I have drawn the diagram of given tooth. Now let us say it is the center of given tooth. Therefore from center, let us say center is at o. From o, the radius of pitch circle, here we can say it is a pitch circle, the distance of pitch circle is radius, right? Therefore o to this point, let us say this point I am considering as a g, and this point I am considering as a e, right? Now Therefore, O to G is radius. O to G is radius, as well as O to E is also radius. O to E distance is radius. Right. Now, let us draw one line which will exactly divide this A into two parts. Right. From O. Therefore, let us draw this line. This line. The line will go like this. Right. Now, let us say this line. Now, let us assume here the point F over here. Let us say here there is a point H, and at top, on top land, let us say there is a point C. I will consider this point as a C. Now we can say O to G is equal to O to E is equal to O to EH, which is nothing but radius. It is P circle radius. Simply similar, we can easily see. And from H to C, this distance is module. They have provided in diagram. In diagram, you can see H to C distance is given as module. Means this B distance is nothing but module, or we can say, let us say this small b is equal to C here, this C to EH plus H to F, right? C to EH plus H to F. Therefore, B is nothing but module plus HF. Therefore, module is already known. Therefore, our target is to find this small HF, right? We know O to F. Therefore, if we know O to H, this O to H distance is radius. Therefore, if I calculate O to EF distance, then we can calculate HF. Now, let us consider the triangle OFE. Now, in triangle OFE, see here, this triangle O to EF, vertical line E, and this triangle. I am considering this triangle. Therefore, for this triangle, OE equal to radius, right? And EF, can I say EF is half of A by 2? Definitely, right? Because see, G to E is A, and this line will be definitely half, because exactly passing through the center, dividing this EG into two parts. Let us assume at O angle is theta, right? At O there is an angle theta. Therefore, in triangle OFH, can I say sine theta is equal to opposite side, which is nothing but FE, divided by hypotenuse, which is nothing but OE. Therefore, sine theta is equal to FE is nothing but A by 2, divided by OE is nothing but radius. Therefore, first of all, we have to find the radius of pitch circle. Now, what is diameter of pitch circle? Diameter of pitch circle is nothing but, here we know the module. Module is nothing but diameter divided by number of teeth. From this, we can calculate diameter is equal to module into number of teeth. Therefore, calculate diameter. See, the diameter is equal to module into number of teeth, which is nothing but module is given here. 4, number of teeth are 32. This is diameter. Therefore, radius will be diameter divided by 2, which is nothing but 4 into 32 divided by 2, which is nothing but radius is equal to 2 into 32, which is nothing but 64 mm. Therefore, radius is 64 mm. Here, radius is 64 mm. Therefore, put in this sine theta formula. Therefore, sine theta is equal to A is 6.28 divided by 2 into 64. And from this, if I find theta, that is angle theta, then I will get theta is equal to sine inverse of 6.28 divided by 2 into 64. Find for theta or solve for theta, then this angle you will find equal to 2.81 degree. This will be your answer for theta. Now, once you calculate theta value, let us consider cos theta. Now, after calculating theta value, if I consider cos theta for the triangle OFE, the cos theta will be adjacent side, which is nothing but O to F, because at EF there is a 90 degree or not, my dear students? At EF there is a 90 degree angle between vertical and horizontal. Therefore, cos theta is equal to adjacent side, which is nothing but OF, divided by hypotenuse, which is nothing but O to E, which is nothing but OF divided by radius. Therefore, OF distance is equal to R cos theta, which is nothing but 64 cos theta is 2.81. And from this, if I calculate OF, this OF we will get 63.9. This will mm. This is the distance OF. Now, my dear students, can I say the distance HF? The distance HF is nothing but OH minus OF, right? Therefore, distance HF, see the diagram. This small distance HF is nothing but O to H minus O to F. It is O to H minus O to F, which is nothing but O to H is radius minus O to F. Therefore, HF, very small distance, is equal to radius is 64 minus OF is 63.9, which is nothing but 0.1 mm. This is the small HF distance. Therefore, let us solve for B. Now, B is nothing but module plus HF. Here in diagram, you can see B is nothing but this HF plus module. Upper distance is module. It is given in the question. Therefore, B is equal to HF plus module. Therefore, B is equal to 0.1 plus module is 4. Therefore, B is equal to 4.1 mm. And already we have calculated A is equal to 6.28 mm. Now, go to the options. If I see options now, then in options, you will find option D is correct choice. Option D. A is equal to 6.28 mm and B is equal to 4.1 mm. Thank you, dear students. In next lecture, we will see one more numerical on gear design.